First of all, greetings to you guys watching this video. Today's tutorial, I want to show you 3 ways which is free and how you can download YouTube videos for free. Follow me whilst I take you through on how to download YouTube video for free, even with the thumbnails as well. So let's get started. First of all, we need to open our browser. So I'm going to separate my pages into 2. So after we open our 2 browsers, we make sure we open our YouTube page. That's our YouTube website, and the other page too. I'm going to search savefrom.net. This particular website is familiar to some people, and with this particular website,
you can see all the resources. So you can download Facebook videos, YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and Instagram reels as well.
I'll search for the particular video I want to download. So I'm going to search for something. I'm going for this.
I've been to Japan 12
so
times.
Guys, I'm going to copy this video link. So I'm going to copy the link and come to the website and paste it here. So when I click on paste, and whilst the website is doing pasting, I'm going to change different video with different links, and we see what we are going to get after changing different videos. So guys, I've changed this video and I want to copy the link of the video. So guys, as I said earlier, the manual way came, and you can see the video here. This is the video I've highlighted. So guys, the hidden side of Japan that nobody sees. So this video is 1 hour 15 minutes 24 seconds, and